For a while now, you have heard the Illinois Chiropractic Society talk to our members and to our doctors around the state about how important it is to make sure that you're adhering to the Americans with Disabilities Act, the ADA, and its application to limited English proficiency, as well as some of the 1557 requirements. But we've got plenty of information and articles on both of those issues. But our biggest hangup has always been, how is this affordable? How can we make this affordable for your practice, especially when we start talking about potential travel times for translators, when you're talking about the variety of different languages that are involved, as well as ASL. So I've asked actually Danny Chang with Voyce to join me today, and we're going to talk to you a little bit about what Voyce has and what they could deliver to your practice and the ease. Danny?
Thank you so much, Mark. We're really, really excited to be working with you, and just wanted to quickly show everybody what exactly is Voyce. A patient comes in, family member comes in, and they have trouble communicating, language barriers. They might need a sign language interpreter. And as Mark said, this can be timely, it can be expensive, finding people to come over to your location. But with Voyce, any device that has an internet connection, a camera, a microphone, you can get Voyce. So I have an iPad here. This is the Voyce application. I have a unique login, and I just hit Get Interpreter. The last language I picked was Filipino Tagalog. If I hit this, here's the top 20 languages that I request on this device, but I have access to over 240 languages. These are medically certified interpreters. I'm sure one that you get a lot is probably Spanish. I just hit next. And then it's going to find me a medically certified interpreter to come over call, audio or video. And you're only charged for the time spent with an interpreter. So you no longer have to worry about gas fees, having somebody for an hour if it's a 5-minute conversation. It's ringing now.
This is Anna, and I'll be your Spanish interpreter. ID number 110-3554. Everything you say will remain confidential. How may I help you today?
Hi, Anna. We're just doing a demonstration. Can you please ask the patient where they are experiencing any pain and if they're taking any medication currently?
Sure, happy to help. I'm just going to introduce myself to the patient real quick. Hola, buenas tardes. Yo voy a ser su intérprete de español. Todo lo que diga se mantendrá de manera confidencial y será interpretado. Actualmente usted siente algo de dolor y está tomando un medicamento para eso.
Thank you. You were great.
Is there anything else I can help you with?
That's it, Anna. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for using our services. Have a great day.
You too. And you'll see the interpreter is available. It says for 1 minute after the call, in case something else comes up. The ID is right there, so you can record it for any compliance purposes. Otherwise, you hit I'm done. There's a rating screen. I thought Anna was excellent. Give her 5 stars. And that's Voyce. It's 99 cents a minute for spoken languages. For ASL sign language, it's about $1.49, just given the certifications that are required. But you're only charged for the time spent with an interpreter. So if you have this on standby, you have the application, you're signed up with us, and you use 0 minutes for a month, you get charged $0. And it's as easy as that. We're trying to reduce language barriers, help folks, remain compliant, as easy as possible and for cost as possible, because we don't want these barriers to exist. Mark, thank you so much for the time. Appreciate it.
Thanks, Danny. And again, just to clarify, remember, this is one of those requirements that sometimes can feel like a pain, but instead, in this regard, just sort of remind everyone that this is one of those compliance areas that there is a solution for. And there may be other companies out there like Voyce, but I will tell you, Danny, when we met actually at HIMSS in Chicago at the Health IT conference up in Chicago, thoroughly impressed with Voyce and what they have done. And we wanted to make sure that we pass this tool and this possibility on to you as a chiropractic physician here in Illinois. Thank you. And thank you, Danny.
Thank you so much, Mark. And yeah, we look forward to working with all of you.
Sounds great. We'll catch you next week.